What's good, y'all? This is That Food Grows here. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys step by step on how I grow. I'm gonna be showing you the strains. I'm gonna do Permafrost by Sativa. Shout out to Sativa. Next, I'm gonna be doing Ice Cream Cake by Zamnesia. And these are my other seeds. I don't have that many, but yep. And I'm gonna be using 3-gallon pots. So now you wanna just fill your soil up to the top, to all your pots that you're gonna plant. For this potty mix, it has cocoa fiber, H4's products, perlite, and fertilizer. So it's really good soil. I recommend it. Show you guys one more time. I just got done planting 3. I had enough just for 3 pots, which is fine. It's fine. Next, you're gonna wanna poke a hole with your thumb. Not too deep, about 3 inches in the center of each pot. There we go. There you go. As you can see. Now you just wanna put the seed facing down. So as you can see, I have the seed right here. This is Permafrost. So pointy side down. As you see the pointy side, you're gonna want to put pointy side straight in first, just like that. Just cover it lightly. Now you're gonna want to do that to your other ones. Just got done planting all 3 of them. Now you're gonna want to label them. This is Permafrost, this is Ice Cream Cake, and this is Ice Cream Cake. Just finished labeling them. This one's Permafrost, Ice Cream Cake. I fill up a gallon of water. Then I make sure the pH level is around 6.3 to 6.5. Then I will fill this up and spray. Right now, it's about at right now pH level is around 8.4. So you want to bring that down 6.5. So you put about 1 milliliters of pH down by General Hydroponics. It's around 6.4, as you see. So now I'm just gonna fill up this sprayer bottle and lightly spray these pots. Just want to spray it lightly, just like this. Not too much. Few sprays. Now, and within 24 hours to 48 hours, they should pop up.